Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, man, got a nice green day today. See how long it's gonna last. Urgent buys, urgent sales. I put a sell limit order in, didn't have any go through. But I'm gonna give you those. For y'all been following me in these plays. LFT, Lumen Finance. Got up to 110 today. I usually like to hold it about 114, but I put a sell limit order at 110. I had like 545 shares. I accumulated from the $1 to $1.05 mark. Only gonna make 5 cents, 10 cents a share. Gonna make money in value. Rinse, repeat. Lower my average cost. Got an average cost of $1.28 right now. They do have an ex-dividend date coming up 6/30, June 30th. So just got up to 110. I'm gonna set it right there. I put a sell limit order on ChargePoint. Yes, CHPT. Yesterday I accumulated like 95 shares at $5.28. Set the sell limit order at $5.77 for those 95 shares. I'm gonna rinse and repeat that. $8.71. It's gonna lower my average cost there. Another one I was looking at is PMT. I'm gonna give you all these buys from $9.80 all the way up to $10 mark with PMT. It's up at 10.6. We're still at 10.68. And it's on the rise still. I have 260 shares at 10.52. So right now I'm currently up. Does have pay a quarterly dividend, 40 cents a share every quarter. 15.22% yield, 89% buy, 11% hold. Well, let's get to trading. I'll go watch my Cash App video too. I did 2 parts to it. Got stocks in that portfolio that I don't buy. In this one, I mentioned them in there, but you can get a first eye bird's eye view on that one. Let's go with ticker MSFT. Microsoft, I do have a position in the portfolio. Got down to 355.43, up to 371 right now. Microsoft look like it's back on the rise and on the climb. 371 is still a good price. Like the market's starting to take back off, which is a good thing. I'm gonna ride it on up $10 a day like I've been doing. You know, you got to have MSFO with it. Got down to 10.03 today. It's at 10.42. I'm gonna put me a buy limit order in at 10.03. Just in case. Scoop up 25 shares in case it bounce back down. I'm gonna go with NFLX, Netflix. 71.54. Just got down to $74. I'm at 77. Got a small position in this one. I can actually let this ride. Netflix might come down some more, to be honest. 74, 77, not a big deal. If I go back to catch around about 72, I'll buy some. But NFLY. My bad. Didn't mean to do that. NFLY options on Netflix. Definitely want to have pays dividend out every week. This week paying 5 cents a share for the week. 782 today. I'm buying a dip on this one. When Netflix takes off, it's gonna run. Make sure there's not no I take 5 shares at that price. Lower my average cost. Go ahead, took a USOI, went and got me $10 more worth of this. It's at 42.88. Go get another. Ride this on down. At $46 there. Let's check out XOMO. Exxon Oil. Got this on $2 a day recurring also, 1047. Get another little piece right there, another $5 worth with the $2 recurring. You got USOY also. Another one to have. This pays out every week. Weekly income. I haven't brought any in a long time. Just keep it for the dividend. What we got this week? Less than, right at 6.5 cents a share, $6.95. I'm at $6.50. It's at 52-week low at $6.39. About putting this just on $1 a day recurring also. Do that and let this just do its thing. That way I ain't got to purchase it, get $11 a week from it. Reinvest it back into it. Show y'all how to put on recurring. Recurring right here. Every day, $1. Use the buying power. Margin use, cool, skip backup payment, review. Alright, USOY, XOMO. We're gonna go with MSTR. MicroStrategy. $84.20. I'm at 106. Got down today to 82.33. So we gotta look at MSTY. MSTY on $2 a day recurring, so we good there. Got BTCC. I added 5 shares a day at $12.76, but I put a buy limit order in at $12.62. I got 5 at $12.72. I'm sorry. Put a buy limit order in at $12.62 for another 5 shares, lowering the average cost. I'm at $14.51 right now. Let's look at Meta. Here's Facebook. 554 up 2% today. 554 is still a buy. Ride that up. Also look at FBY, but that should be going up too. So I've been giving y'all this one also. Got to buy these in pairs. Down to 868 today. You see this up 2%. We'll push at 868. Come back and touch that. Grab me 5 shares of it. Pays a dividend every week. Also paying out this week. The higher the share price, the higher the dividend. 5 cents, almost 5.5 cents a share. It's for the week. OXLC. I put this on $2 a day recurring today. This one back on the rise too. Last couple of days, it's been in the uptrend. We got this for the week, so I'll put that on that. 876, still not a bad buy. I'm gonna get me $2 worth. All right, boom, boom, boom. We're gonna look at Nike next. Ticker NKE. Got down to $40. Made a new 52-week low at $40. Anything under 42 I like with Nike. $10 worth. All right, building me another swing trade setup right here with ACHR. I bought 50 shares yesterday at $5. I'm going today at $4.71. I put a buy limit order in for 150 shares with ACHR. It's got up to 508 today. I did put another order in. 471, 150 shares right there. Just to show y'all, we did NFL wide charge point. It's another sell when I should have did at the beginning of the video, but got a nice list here. Like I tell you, I brought some shares yesterday at 5. I did do it. 95 shares at 574. I bought 95 shares at 528. I just put another buy limit order in at 517. I put a buy limit order in, and I put a sell limit order in at 577 for those 95 shares I brought yesterday. So that's what I did. Remember, I put a buy limit order in at 517 for 50 shares, and I put a sell limit order in for the 95 shares I brought yesterday at 528. Put a sell limit order in at 577. All right, you got earn. What's my pay 8 cents a share every month. Got an average cost of $4.58 now. Got on $2 a day recurring. I could go buy some, but I'm gonna try to catch it again at that 4.37 mark. Let's make sure I got my buy limit order in place. 4.38. Place that order. I'm gonna up that. $50 shares. So what I'm gonna do is earn 8 cents a share every month. It pays PFLT 8 cents a share every month. 727 is what I was looking at. Let's see what the 52-week low is. 718. Need to up my recurring, need to edit it. Let that rock out. Say $2 a day now. That's 8 cents a share every 8 cents a share every month there. Cash flow TCPC. $3.12. It's at 324. 52-week low on this one is 308. I'm gonna go get some at 312. And I'm gonna put an order in 312 and 308. Also put another one in at 308. 29.3% yield, pays dividends every quarter. Might have a reverse stock split coming. It is what it is. If it does, I'm gonna put on $2 a day recurring and let it just rock out. That's how I handle those, and I ain't got to worry about it. Just keep it for a dividend for income. YMAX. Get 5 shares a day of this. When it's 8 and under, gonna go in at 762. It's gonna go back past the $8 mark, probably in the middle eights, 837, 850, 7.625. Put it on 24 hours. So let's look at YMAG. Options on the Magnificent 7. Wasn't really looking at this one today, but I'm gonna get a fractional share. I was buying like a share every day, 1096. Let me go in at that price. It's gonna go back past $13 mark, especially when Microsoft and everything else get back up. Microsoft and Meta. Hit 5 shares right there, 1096. Did BTCC, LFT, SVOL. Another one I like, 28 cents a share every month, 1558. I just dollar cost average on in. I got an average cost of like $16. Can't put this on recurring. Maybe $3 worth. What I'm looking like, 1607 is my average cost. What's the 52-week low? Got to be like 1474, 1506. My snacks, I'm at 1555. It's gonna go back past $16 mark. Go with NVDA. Some video, 191.22. It's at 194. I'm at 212. I already got some of this today, but I'll get some while I'm online with y'all. $3 worth. Got to pair that with NVDY. Also, options on NVIDIA. No, they're not going anywhere. 1198. We'll get a share at 1198. Hit them for 5. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna edit my recurring. $2 a day, double up on that. Let that just rock out and do its thing. $2, not 12. 2. Confirm. That'll start on Monday. Got two more stocks, man, on my list. Casey General Stores, 763.59, says 768. Already got some for the day, buying dollars. And we got Tesla. Worry about it. These stocks get back out of buy range. We're just gonna be chilling, taking profit, or just letting the market run and do what it do. 368.80 is Tesla. Already at 383. I brought in. I'm at 381.20, so I'm technically up. All right, let's go check out traps, man. Get on out of here. Everybody enjoy their weekend. To finish up my weekend in Vegas. About to go check out the Hoover Dam. Make sure y'all look at my channel, man. Have me a little nice time out here, man. Relaxing. Let my dividends pay for my lifestyle, and let my investments pay for my lifestyle. That sounds better. I got more coming in than just dividends, but all right. If you see the big movers today, top movers, got Microsoft up 5.27%, Uber up 4.77%, MSFO up 4.66%. I got out of just about all the bank stocks. I had to get out of 100 in bank. Like I said, I'm gonna stick to my cash flow coming. Remember, you have to pay taxes at the end of the year, especially if it's not in a Roth or a traditional IRA. You're gonna be paying about 22% in taxes. Put 25% up, or whatever you make every month, just put it on up, and you have to pay taxes. And everything else I got on $2 recurring falls with my REITs and BDCs. PMT, I'm going to hit a swing trade on this one. I got this in another portfolio. Like I said, I'm going to let that ride and rip up some more. I thought about making my exit and let that just be that with it. Take that money, put it somewhere else. But you're going to see ABR. I've been giving y'all this one. This was at 533 last time I looked. Look like this one climbing itself back. This is truly undervalued REIT. Sold off because they reduced the dividend from 30 cents a quarter to 17 cents. And share got to do its best for the business, for the company, but people don't understand. Another one I was giving y'all, I got this on $2 a day recurring also, ORC. Definitely performing well, went up. Got up today to, I got 2,673 shares at $6.96. It's got up to $6.97 today, about to hit that $7 mark. 52-week high is $8.40. 20.99% dividend yield. Pay 12 cents a share every month. Well, 10 cents a share every month. They reduced it. That's the only reason why the stock fell or came on down. Got a dividend payment for $203.33 coming in for this month. GSBD, I made my exit of the day at like $9.48 on this one. Reason because they got a price target like $8.88, $8.50. You might get 9 something. I brought it for a swing trade anyway. Still a nice good play to have if you got a 13.81% dividend yield. That's what I did. If it come back down, I buy it again, rinse and repeat. I'm definitely gonna double down on this oil, being that it's cheap. The other one I need to get SLVO, which is silver. Check out GOOY. I should be up in this. I know this got below 13 bucks. Dang, came below where I am. GOOY paid 7 cents, 7.5 cents a share. Let's check out the 52-week low. It's 11.81. So I buy this at 12 and under. Sit back and collect that dividend. Did USOY clip, getting whooped, got that on $3, $2 in recurring, let that just do its thing. I'm done with it. I don't sell my shares, especially not cash flow or distribution stocks when they down. I let them bail themselves out, put it on $1, $2 a day, reinvest the dividends, put the other dividends in another place. Fiat down 2.73%. Coinbase is down the other day 5%, so that don't mean nothing. It pays out every week, 23.32, 52-week low is $18. You need to wait for it to get at least 20 and under before you start adding that on. I need to look at SLVO. Salt Seed Semiconductor. I know I'm up here. I don't even know why I hit that. All right, let's look at SLVO and GLDI. I did put them on recurring investments, $1 a day though. They must be green. SLVO. Options on silver get paid for holding them. Pay out every month. Must be having a green day today, which it is. I'm still meant to buy because it's below my average cost. I think I'm at like $68. I'm at 70. We're gonna look at GLDI. We can get on out of here, man. It's already June. Is already over with. July about to hit. Y'all gonna have 5 months to get everything right. 142, 147.94. Throwing the average down with it before this go back on a run. You know, we'll look at one more MetaFast. Anyway, I could look at that later. MED. Here we go. I put this on $2 a day recurring also. Need to lower my average cost. This go and get sold. Nice swing trade too. Oh, let me see where I'm at. 10.30, 10.13, $2, 52-week low is 9.22. Going to dollar cost average down in this one. Swing trade this one also. All right, y'all, that's it. Signing off. Go get your money. Enjoy your weekend. Take care.